Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Taco John's potato Oles only ways. Start by peeling and dicing 2 large russet potatoes into small cubes for even frying. Parboil the cubes briefly until just fork tender, then drain completely to remove water. Season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a touch of cornstarch to help crisp. Form into small patties and fry in hot oil until golden and crunchy, then serve hot. Warm your oil before frying to ensure a crunchy exterior without soaking up oil. Combine seasonings evenly so every potato piece gets consistent flavor and no clumps form. Lightly tossing the potato cubes with cornstarch creates a satisfying crunch while keeping the interior tender. Maintain medium-high heat and do not overcrowd the pan so pieces brown evenly. Drain on a rack and season again immediately. Shape the potato mixture into small patties about 1 inch thick for even frying and quick crisping. Heat oil to the right temperature and fry in small batches to maintain heat and texture. Flip once when the edges show a deep golden color, then remove to a wire rack to drain excess oil. Finish with a sprinkle of salt and serve immediately with dipping sauces for the classic potato Oles experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.